Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to read Stop Snoring, Bernard by Zachariah OHora. I have a very special secret guest behind the camera who just happens to be a professional snorer. So he's going to help me by reading Bernard's part. Here we go. Stop snoring, Bernard. Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime, playtime, and best of all, nap time. But there was one little problem. Bernard snored loudly. One afternoon at nap time, Grumpy Giles had had enough. Snore somewhere else, Bernard, he said. Bernard tried sleeping in a lake, but that didn't work. Stop snoring, Bernard. He tried sleeping in a fountain, but that didn't work either. Stop snoring, Bernard. He even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work. Stop snoring, Bernard. Bernard was sad and lonely. He found a tucked away place, curled up by himself, and drifted off to sleep. The other otters missed Bernard. They searched for him all through the night. Bernard! Bernard! Bernard? The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of bats on the ceiling. "Excuse me," he said. "How did you sleep with all my snoring?" "We didn't," replied a bat. "We were out all night and now we're trying to sleep. So please don't snore here." Bernard felt terrible. There wasn't any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged toward the zoo gate. But then he heard something. It was the other otters. "We couldn't sleep without you," said Grumpy Giles. "And I'm sorry," I yelled. "Please come back." And from that day on, everyone napped happily. Well, almost everyone. Good night, Bernard. Thanks for watching. See you next time.